Another day at the repair shop, and today's challenge? An Xbox with a serious case of the blues. It won't power on. It's like it just gave up, leaving its owner stranded mid-game, mid-mission, mid-escape from reality. Now, for many of us, gaming isn't just a hobby. It's our go-to for relaxation, connection, and a bit of adventure. So when your console decides to take a nap and refuses to wake up, it feels like your lifeline's been cut. But this isn't just about one Xbox. This is about something much bigger, the right to repair. You see, when your Xbox has a power failure or your smartphone's battery won't charge, too often the message is clear: toss it and buy a new one. But that's not just costly, it's wasteful. Here's where the right to repair steps in, saying, hold on, you don't need to replace it, you can fix it. The right to repair is all about giving you the power to maintain and repair the things you own. It's the idea that when something breaks, you should have the tools, the parts, and the know-how to fix it, whether it's an Xbox that won't turn on or a laptop with a dead battery. And it's not just about saving money, though that's a big part of it. It's about making choices that are better for the environment and for our future. Let's take this Xbox as an example. When it landed on my workbench, its owner was ready to give up. A power failure can seem like the end of the line. But with some technical expertise, a replacement capacitor, and a bit of patience, I was able to breathe new life into that console. It's back in the game, and so is its owner. Now think about what would have happened if that Xbox had been tossed out instead. It would have ended up as just another piece of e-waste, contributing to the growing problem of electronic garbage piling up in landfills. Every time we choose to repair instead of replace, we're making a decision that's not just good for our wallets, but good for the planet. We're reducing waste, cutting down on the resources needed to produce new devices, and keeping perfectly good technology in use longer. Repairing an Xbox with a power failure might seem like a small thing, but when you multiply that by millions of devices, the impact is huge. And it's not just about Xboxes. The right to repair covers everything from your phone to your fridge, your laptop to your washing machine. It's about having the freedom to fix what you own, to keep it running as long as possible, and to make the most of the things you've invested in. It's about fairness too. Everyone deserves access to the knowledge, tools, and parts needed to repair their devices, without being pushed towards buying something new. Here in the repair shop, that's what we're all about. We help people take back control over their technology, whether it's bringing an Xbox back from the brink of death or reviving a tired old laptop, because we believe in the power of repair, not just to save money, but to save memories, reduce waste, and protect our planet. So the next time something breaks, don't be too quick to write it off. Remember, the right to repair is about more than just keeping your gadgets going. It's about making a choice that's better for you, better for your wallet, and better for the world. And here, in this repair shop, we're proud to be part of that movement, one repair at a time. Because whether it's fixing an Xbox with a power failure or giving new life to an old laptop, those moments, whether in the game or in life, are worth preserving. Thanks for watching.